when you look at the technology itself, uh, it's technology that doesn't look very innovative just by naming it.
Mhm.
It's basically embedded systems. So it will look like automation that the big players in Germany are already doing. Like if you see the Siemens and the Bosch, they are already like doing automation and
Yeah.
programming microcontrollers and so on. But when it comes to making it aviation or even aerospace hardened, then there is a whole new world of possibilities. One example, just to show you like how crazy it can be,
Yeah.
is that there is a phenomenon that happens in space that creates short circuits on the PCBs. Actually, due to the pressure and the vacuum and so on, the small solder points they start making small hair.
Okay.
It's really funny when you see the pictures. You see that shiny dot there, and
Yeah.
suddenly you start seeing like very thin hair made of tin, made of solder, going out. It's just like the solder reorganizing,
Yeah.
and eventually they make bridges towards the others, and your electronics stop working.
Ah.
Another issue that happens as well in space is that you have a lot of radiation coming in. So space hardening, the same microcontroller that you have here controlling, I don't know, like your lights, is a big challenge. So when you talk about the technology domains in aerospace, always be a little bit careful because you say, "Oh no, but I've seen this." Yes, you've probably seen this, but then it's 10 times the complexity because of all this phenomena we don't really hear about in our normal lives.